Hello there. We're opening up our second Rainbocorn Puppycorn Bow Surprise, Series 3. Last time I thought that I got the rare one because it says, can you find the rare bow? And then it displayed this one, which I got, but it is not. That's all of our pound puppies. So can we find the rare bow Puppycorn? Let's find out. Oop. There we go. Look at the question marks. What could be inside? What kind of treasure? Round and round we go. What's inside? We soon shall know. Rattly table. All right. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Oh! Hello. Oh, she's cute. Got a little stubby tail. I don't think this is the rare one. Oh, we've got a unfortunate sticker accident. Oh dear. Oh me, oh my. That's unfortunate. Exact same stickers as the other one. So no surprise there. Slime. Yeah. Sorry, not slime. Magic color poop. And the evidence is, it's right there. Poop. Then our tiny little egg capsule, which is, of course, more plastic. Everyone loves more plastic. Oh, there we go. That's nice. That was so much easier than the full-on capsule itself. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh. What? It doesn't have a face. Is this a dog? Or even a pup? Look. It doesn't have a face. It's just a bow and a little horn and yo, is this a dog? Or is this Swamp Thing's pet? What is? Okay. Once again, you can put it on top of your pencil and everyone will be like, oh, that's a real cool gremlin? see if our guide can give us more sense into the insanity. Okay, so it's a coma? It's supposed to look like that. But, yeah. Nailed it. And as for you, oh, right, we gotta peel off its surprise. According to this, its surprise should be a hot dog. And there it is. It's the most kawaii of hot doggies. So that indeed confirms that this is Pinky. And that's, oh, the Puppycorn. Same slime, same stickers. Gremlin pet. You know, at least the other one looked like a dog. Guess the foot, whatever. Now, that was fun, but earlier today, I found these. Yes, I could not resist. There's 32 collect. Look out for metallic and glow-in-the-dark chase figures. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. So, what do these look like? I'm glad you asked. Look at those. Beautiful. So, let's go for my man, Kaiba. Let's go, Seto. 32 collect. There's chases in this, and we got a glow-in-the-dark. Yeah, we got a glow-in-the-dark figure. All right. Oh, it's Exodius. Yeah. You can't really tell because of the fact that it's glow-in-the-dark, but okay, so there's 8 painted figures. There's silver, gold, glow-in-the-dark, and printed. Which means that there's not going to be like Tristan or Bakura, Mokuba, the Celtic Guardian, Karibo. No, it looks like that we get the 8 standard figures and different variations of each 8. And my first one is Exodus. Glow in the dark. May we find Seto at a later date. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye!